Hello viewers, today for initial checking out we have a Uniden telephone. There's the battery. This is going to be a Uniden loud and clear telephone. Looks like this is a complete model here. We have the base adapter. Am I doing something wrong here? Not sure what that was about. We have the cordless phone. Some signs of wear, but nothing detrimental. Belt clip, which is pretty uncommon. This is going to be the original battery. This is from 2012. It's a 1025. By Cara, and these weren't the greatest batteries. And fairly consistent with my opinion on them, it's not even taking, or it doesn't have any charge at the moment. Let's get this plugged up and see if we can. Jeez, good grief, could they have twisted this around here a couple more times? I hate when people do that to wires. Look at this stinking cord now. I did it with the phone cord too. At least this is a fairly cheap phone cord. Not sure what in the world happened to the base there. It's got some significant marks on it, but otherwise it looks pretty good. No, looks like maybe that battery still is good. Huh. Well, we'll have to give that a shot and see if it's see if maybe it's still usable. But for the video, I'm just going to put a good one in here that's got enough charge to do what we're going to want to do here. Okay, so let's set the date and time. It's 12/17. It's approximately 7:40, and it's PM. We have 36 caller IDs here. Take a look at those off video. Just get a quick idea of how this phone looks like it was last used in January, so about a year ago. The phone's been sitting for approximately a year, and I'm guessing that's January 2017. It could be even longer. It doesn't look like it was too heavily used based on the call log. We got a call on the 30th, 20th, 16th, 13th, 9th, 28th of the month prior, 16th of the month prior, 13th, 7th. So this was not, at least it didn't receive calls very heavily by any means. There's no timer on the redial, so I'm not sure how regularly calls were made. But anyways, ringer volume's on low. Let's go ahead and change that. Okay. Let's see what kind of ring we got in the base here. We'll go with a song this time.
No messages.
Okay, we got no messages.
Hello. Hello. No one is a...
Goodbye.
Answering system is on. Hello.
Okay. Let's give this a test call. And I'll record a message too. And just for the time being, I'm going to turn the answering thing on to 2 rings. Ringtone was on toll saver. Put it on 2. Go ahead and call this phone. This is probably going to cause a feedback freak show. Not too bad. It appears that the talking caller ID was not switched on. Either that or it doesn't ring when the thing is set to 2 rings. And then the answer. Okay, that should be good enough of a test message. You have the flashing light on top of the handset, and that's flashing there too.
1 new message. This is probably going to cause a beep. This is end of 1 old message. This is probably going to cause a feedback freak show. Not too bad. It appears that the talking caller ID was not switched on. Either that or it doesn't ring when the thing is set to 2 rings. And then answer. End of messages.
Can we get the messages on here? I thought you could. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Messages. There's the first one.
Sunday, 7:44 p.m. No messages.
Okay. Call this up again, and we'll make a live test call. Hello?
Hello?
Testing. Check. 1, 2, 3. The boost is now on. This is as loud as the telephone gets. Testing 1, 2, 3. Sounds like it's working well. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello? Testing. I think the speakerphone on these 150s is a lot better. It's unfortunate that these loud and clears didn't come with better speakerphones on the handsets. Okay, now this is on regular. Testing 1, 2, 3. Seems to work. Okay. And that weird buzzing sound at the end was actually normal. I don't know why it does that, but it does. It's got to be some sort of interference with the microphone and the charging mechanism. Alright, I think the last thing we got to do is just check out the buttons on here. It would appear to be that the key touch tone is turned off on this particular telephone. Alright. And we gotta do this too. Boost. Okay. Looks like this set is fully functional. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.